Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will basically show you a application that I developed inside browser which lets you actually build out videos, flipbook videos, 3D videos in the browser. You can see the application is running in the browser on localhost 5173, and there is this option right here of creating a new video. If you click, basically this is a button will open. Here you can select all your images which you want to convert into a video, flipbook video, 3D video. So you can select PNG, JPG. All extensions are supported of images, WebP. Let me basically select all these images which are present inside this folder. So as I select these images, you will basically see the images will appear on the left hand side, and you can actually see it has constructed this flipbook. You have seen these 3D. As I'm just clicking on each individual image, it is appearing. You can see it is actually is in the form of a book, and we are actually using Three.js, which is actually a library for creating animations in the browser, and also we are using FFMPEG library as well to actually convert this into a video. So there is a start recording button where you can actually click this button, so it will actually record all the things that it will do and convert this into a video so that we can save this as a WebM file. So you can basically see, as I'm just, you can zoom in, zoom out, everything. The images will be in the form of a book right here. Each image is there. You can see that. So we can basically, so it is there in the form of a book. So if you have a book, you basically flip the pages. So a new image will come. So now if you want to record this into a video, export this into a video, what you can will do, you will basically, there is an option right here to actually start the recording. So if I click this option, the recording has started. You will see the time will also show you. So as you are doing this job, all these things are recording right here. So you can take your time for each image to appear and then flip this image. So the image will be flipped. You will see that in the form of a book. You can see that. So it is actually being exported to a video. So when you click the end recording button, the video will be constructed and it will automatically be get downloaded. So it's a full application. So as you can see, I'm flipping this book and it has been recording. The recording is going on, and after all the pages are done, I will be able to export this into a video. So you will see that. So you can take your time for each image to appear. So now if you're done, click on this end recording button. So 18-second video has been, you can see, downloaded as an attachment. If I open this video now, you can play this video as a WebM file. You can see that. So it has actually taken all these images, and whatever we recorded, it has been exported to a video. So this video is very engaging. You can share it on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So you can see that how it has been constructed a flipbook. So 18-second video, very intuitive, because it has, the video is constructed just with a series of images using FFmpeg and Three.js, but it's quite intuitive video because it is there in the form of a book. Each image is appearing as a separate page in the book right here, flipbook. So you have seen these softwares online which are paid softwares. I am just giving you the full source code of this application. The link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code. It is coded inside TypeScript, and we have used these libraries which are GIF.js, FFmpeg, and also we have used Three.js. You can see we have three components out there: header component, scene component, text component. So if you basically purchase the full source code, the link is given in the description. You can purchase it from my website procodestore.com. After purchase, you will actually be redirected to Google Drive, where you can actually download the zip file, and then if you extract the content, you will actually see this directory structure. In the source directory, you will have this components folder, and you will be able to run this application in the browser. So simply you just need to npm run dev. This will start development server on localhost 5173. So you can see that the application will start right here. So then you can select your images. All image types are supported. You will see that. So you can even reorder your images by simply dragging each image. If you want this image to appear on the second page, you can drag and drop. basically change the order of images, which image to appear on which page. You can even control that also using the mouse. Simply drag it and the order of images will change. So if you want to remove a certain page, you would simply click the delete option, so it will delete the current selected page, so that page will be removed. So there is only 11 pages. So if you want to add a blank page, you will see a blank page will be added by using this button. So what you can do right here, if you want to replace a image right here, you can select this image. That image will be, you can see, so 11 pages are there. So at last, if you want to add a blank page, you can add this using this button. So it will actually add a blank page right at the end of the video. So if you want to save this as a file right here, myflipbook.zip. So let's suppose you lost internet connection. So after you save this order, you can simply go to your application and click on the open button. So you can open your, like this, where you can see it will load this application. You will see that. So this is the thing. You can create it. So it's a flipbook kind of an video editor, guys, where you can actually create your videos. Simply click on the start recording button. So the recording has taken place. You can take your own images, favorite images, you want to turn them into a video. It's a nice little application which allows you to construct these engaging videos which are in the form of a book. 3D videos these are, because you will see basically we can flip these images like as it's a book. So it's really good thing. It's very engaging as well if you want to share it on social media. So you can share your images in the form of a video of a 3D flipbook. These are 3D. You will see as I click this, the images are going in all x axis, y axis, z axis. So these are 3D videos which are created using Three.js FFMPEG. You will see that. So you can now play your video. It will play something like this. You can see that. So I'm just giving the full source code, guys. You can customize this application according to your own needs as well, or you can use this application for free. After you get all the rights, commercial rights, after you purchase it, you will actually see this is actually the project here. We are using this capture, and these are the three components which are coded in TypeScript. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it from my website. So this will be the directory structure you will get after you make the payment. And it will the advantage of this application, it runs in the browser and there is no such limit of how many images you will take. The limit is endless. You can take as many images as you want and construct a flipbook and animation in the form of a video. You can basically turn your images into nice little animations, something like this. Click on the start recording button and your animation will start. You can see that. So you can take your time for each image to appear in. So the seconds will show right here. So it totally depends upon to you how much time you take for each image to appear in the video. So you can control this by, as it is recording, you can control how much seconds you want for each image to display. So when you basically flip the page, you just want to wait for some time so that the image will be staying in the video. So you can all control that aspect right here. You will see this is the actual. So click on end recording, your video will automatically gets downloaded. You will see that. So here we took some time to actually stay on the page. So now you can see it has taken some time, and you can control the timing for each image while you're recording. So you can see that. So now in when I developed this application, we have used Three.js. As I already told you, it's a JavaScript 3D library for, it's a cross-browser library. It works on all the browser, Chrome, Opera, Firefox. So Three.js is a open source library. It is some examples you will see. This is specially used for animation type. Here you can see it's a 3D animation flipbook kind of application. So these are used in 3D ways. So all these things are 3D. You will see that. So Three.js is a very tremendous library. You will see that it's used in more applications. It's used in developing games, animation, graphics, so in JavaScript. It's a very powerful library, check out. And also we are using FFmpeg for actually encoding all the stuff which you see right here into a form of a video. So we have used this cross-platform audio and video processing library right in the browser. So for using this, we are actually using FFmpeg WebAssembly, which allows you to actually execute FFmpeg right in the browser without having to install FFmpeg on your local machine. So we have used FFmpeg WebAssembly library to actually execute FFmpeg right in the browser alongside with Three.js. So these are the two packages that we used in this project, guys. If you are interested, the link is given. You will directly get the zip file after you make the payment on procodestore.com. You will get this awesome little application where you can actually construct your video flipbook, 3D animations. You just need to start recording. So you can see that. So it's customizable. You need to take your time when you click start recording. So just you will see the set time will also show you. So if you want to have each image appear for 3 seconds, you just need to wait here for 3 seconds as you are flipping the page. So just make sure in the output video you will have this. So now you can see the length of the video is 3 seconds. So you can see it is each image is appearing for 3 seconds and you flip the page, and now you can see that. So this is actually the application, guys. If you are interested, the link is given. And coming back to the code right here, it is coded right here. You can basically, all these things are customizable. You will see that it's a TypeScript, which is superset of JavaScript. The CSS, you will also control it. So it's all the source code will be given. You can change the background color as well. Let's suppose if you don't need this gray background color that you see right here, you can change it to any background color that you want. So I think it's there in the body. If you search for here background color, this is actually, I think this is for the header right here. So I basically use this background color, which is RGBA. You can just see basically this is the CSS that we are there for all the components that we use right here. So you can see we have used Three.js. These are all WebGL rendered. This is all part of Three.js library. You can control the map size, map height, camera near. All these options are there. If you are actually a programmer, you will know all these properties in Three.js. So we have added this to the scene, putting light as well. So this is Three.js, and FFmpeg we have used in conjunctions to actually make this awesome application. So when you select your images, you will see that. It's a 3D flipbook. You can even see your images right in the browser in this manner as well. If you don't want to record video, it's also a very good way to actually see the images as well, right in the form of a 3D flipbook. So it's a nice application, and then you can even export them into a video file as well. So this makes it a really good application to buy, guys. It works entirely in the browser, and we have used Three.js FFmpeg. If you are interested, the link is given. You can purchase it from procodestore.com. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, thank you very much.